Hey, Randy Pope's channel viewers and anybody else watching. I'm in Atlanta, Georgia with my beloved Flyin Moose Volvo 760 budget endurance racer. Now, I've had a lot of experience on different tires, and I want to give you some feedback on this new Yokohama. Now, I'm friendly with Yokohama because I race Yokohamas on the Unplugged Performance Tesla Model S Plaid at the Pikes Peak Hill Climb. In fact, we're going there soon. And so I've run Yokohamas on my race car. I ran the A052, which is an incredible tire. Soft, sticky, very speed oriented. But it wears pretty quickly too, is what we found. Even on the Volvo, it's not as heavy as it looks. And it wears pretty quick when Sam Collier's driving, because she's from Alabama and he knows how to hang it out. And so I've been on a new Yokohama that maybe you haven't tried yet or heard about. It's called an AD09. The AD09 is based much more on the high-performance street tire. And it's a 200 tread wear, and it's got deep grooves, two big deep grooves to move water for anti-hydroplane. And I've run it at Road Atlanta on the Flyin Moose, and I ran it in the One Lap of America on a HellCat Charger. And this Charger's a beast, 4,600 pounds. It's a Charger, HellCat, wide body, red eye, 797 horsepower, people. And we drive on the One Lap of America 4,500 miles to 16 track events. And we wanted to win, and we did win our class, but we needed a tire that could last underneath that kind of horsepower and weight and go fast enough to win. Because everybody knows the HellCat Charger and Challenger aren't the greatest track cars, but they're muscle cars and they're a ton of fun, and nobody was outrunning us on the straights, I'll tell you that right now. So the good news is this new tire is ideal for budget endurance racing. And no, this is not just a sales pitch. I'm telling you what I know from the races that we've done recently, both at Road Atlanta and in the One Lap of America. The AD09 has good grip. No, it's not as ultimately fast as the A052, probably. I've not done a back-to-back, but my butt dyno says it has close to the grip, but far better wear. I'm going to say it's like 3 or 4 times better. And so this is a good tire for budget endurance. It lasts a long time. When we run a series where we can run a Yokohama tire, this is my pick, the Yokohama Advan AD09 for budget endurance racing.